Okay, so on this supercharger it's a 260. 100 hours went by and it was never serviced, so the bearings collapsed and it made a touchdown with the blade. So obviously those bearings fell into the motor and they're in the motor now. Let's split it and see what goes on the inside. Okay, so we split it. Let's go in a bit closer. There you can see where it got the touchdown, and obviously on the inside. The black stuff, that's all aluminium, burnt up aluminium. And this is a condition of the blade. Let's chop it further and see what's carry on. Okay, so everything has been stripped down. A little bit of good news, we found 7 little balls corresponding 7 balls of the bearing. Bad news is they are poorly distorted and that has moved obviously down into the engine and would have to be physically removed from the engine. And this supercharger is destroyed. Luckily we stopped it before it could make any big damages immediately when a problem occurred. And that's what you get. Failed supercharger.